I'm Shay Russell from mining.com.au, and joining me today is Christian Moreno, the Managing Director for Torque-Metals. Christian, it is fantastic to see you today. How are you?
I'm very good. I'm very pleased to be back in mining.com.au. Thank you very much for this opportunity.
Thank you so much for joining us today. What fantastic news for Torque-Metals and Torque-Metal shareholders today. Let's kick off with your announcement. Now, your company has merged with Aston Minerals. This is a great deal. Can you please tell me some of the finer points to this merge?
100%. So we have started a scheme of implementation process with Aston Minerals. The idea is to merge Aston with Torque-Metals. The outcomes of this merge will be two fantastic projects in two Tier 1 jurisdictions, with the Paris Gold Project in WA and with also the Eldestone Gold Project in Ontario, Canada, on the Abitibi's Greenstone Belt. Apart from that, we will have a new board of directors. We are receiving Tolga, Kumova, and also Cranston, very well-known directors in the ASX and TSX market, and we are very, very pleased for them to join the board of Torque-Metals, potentially when the transaction is completed. And also, well, 1.75 million ounces of gold, adding the two resources together, 1.5 million ounces of gold in Canada and 250,000 ounces of gold in WA. So very, very excited about this potential merge between Aston and Torque-Metals. So yeah, we are excited about this potential merge and looking forward to drill the Paris Gold Project, which will be the flagship project of the merged entity.
Tell me, how does this merge benefit current Torque-Metals shareholders?
Well, the merge will benefit current shareholders because we are adding to the portfolio 1.5 million ounces of gold in Canada. On top of that, we are receiving two new directors for Torque, Evan and Tolga, with a lot of marketing following. They are directors of very well-known companies that they are performing very, very well in the market. And also, we are receiving or opening up the capital structure of Torque to add additional cash in the future. On top of that, we are receiving, with the potential merge, $4 million that Aston has, so that we are not having the necessity to raise additional capital. And by the way, Evan and Tolga, they are investing $1 million into Torque at market price. So no discount, we are not paying any fees to brokers, we are just merging the entities because we want to consolidate these two projects and drill aggressively and as soon as we can in order to increase the resources.
Now, the year 2025 has only just begun and you've come out of the gate strong. What are the next steps when it comes to progressing what are going to be two projects on your books?
100%. So at the moment, we are focused on completing the scheme of implementation. We need to go through the legal process, the court, and all the dealings. But after that, the idea is to go back to the field, drill as much as we can, drill super aggressive the Paris Gold Project, but internally we are going to prepare as well a potential mineral resource estimate update for the gold project in Canada. We believe that there are additional ounces of gold to be added with historical holes that we already identify. So there are a lot of things that we can do in the meantime, but at the moment we are focused in the implementation scheme and also in planning the next activities for the gold project, for the Paris Gold Project. So yes, to keep in mind for my shareholders that the flagship project is the WA Paris Gold Project. We want to increase the ounces of gold as quickly as possible, analyze potential scenarios of production or drilling. But super excited about this and looking forward to complete this as soon as possible.
Listen, Christian, thank you so much for being here today. Congratulations once again on this fabulous news. And I look forward to hearing about this more in the future. Thank you for being here.
Thank you very much, and to all the shareholders that were patient and believe in the company and believe in management and the board, thank you very much for your support. We are demonstrating that we are not wasting time. We are doing deals, we are working hard, and we are making Torque-Metals great. So thank you very much for your support.